Hi, I'm Misty Harris with the Sonoma County Sheriff's Office. Today we're going to share some information with you about our new drone program. We know that law enforcement's use of drones has been controversial in the past, but as drones become more popular, more law enforcement agencies are using them regularly to help keep their communities safe.
We're finding great value in this program because drones are relatively inexpensive and quickly provide important situational information, and that helps us keep our community and our deputies safe. With the use of federal grant funds, we've purchased 2 DJI Phantom 4 drones. Our drones are just like those found on the shelves at any electronics store and are only outfitted with a camera. We currently have 8 certified drone operators to operate these drones safely and legally. We'll only fly these drones with a supervisor or watch commander approval on certain certified missions. These missions include crime scene preservation and documentation, bomb squad calls, hazardous materials incidents, search and rescue missions, and public safety missions. Public safety missions include situations like barricaded subjects, hostage situations, active shooting incidents, apprehension of violent or armed and dangerous suspects, fleeing suspects, and service of search warrants. We may also use them for disaster response, training missions, and mutual aid requests that fall within our policy guidelines. You can find our drone policy online at www.sonomasheriff.org.
Feel free to comment on our Facebook page with any questions, and we'll do our best to answer them all. Thank you for your support of the Sonoma County Sheriff's Office.